Snooper S320 battery replacement or disassembly. So to open this one, you need to remove the frame, start lifting up the frame from the slim edge, but don't apply pressure on the screen because you may damage it. Just try to lift it up gently, so you'll pry off. There is some double-sided tape on the underneath this frame, so you need to be careful when you pry it off, you don't damage the screen. And here just try to cut off that form that is keeping the frame stuck to the screen, and try to pry it off. Okay. Some of them they come off with the glue, some of them the glue will stay on the body. Okay. Now in this hole you have some silicone which is getting stuck there on top of the screws, so it's just a Phillips screwdriver.
Turn left, B4491, Oaks Lane.
Okay. Check if you have any memory cards inside of the slot. And now we can separate them.
Turn left, B4491, Oaks Lane. Turn left.
disconnect the speaker, just slide it down, and the battery, slide it out. This is the ribbon from the screen, and this is the ribbon from the touch screen, aerial, power switch or hold button, reset button, charging connector. Yeah. On this one I only want to replace the battery. Okay. So to replace the battery on this model you need a 1800 milliamps, a 3.7 volts battery, and which is a 6.7 watt per hour.